Everyone in IT wants to skip the help desk, but that's the mistake. I spent up to 3 years on the help desk, and if you'd asked me at the time, was it worth it? I'd probably have shrugged. But now, I'm a sysadmin earning 6 figures, and I'm telling you, it was the best decision of my career. And almost nobody in IT is saying that. So let's talk about it. In this video, I'm going to talk you through what Helpdesk actually teaches you, the career path it unlocks, and the mistakes I made, so you don't have to. Stick around, this one matters. I see this advice everywhere. Just grind your certs, skip the ticket grind. It's bad advice. The people who follow it, they usually hit a wall around 1 year in, because certs only teach you the tools, but Helpdesk teaches you the thinking.
Battery charge, resuming cleaning.
Oh my God. A bit about me in case you're new here. I didn't come from a computer science background. I came from a shift work, mundane job. Manual work, long days, no tech hookup, no fancy degree. Just a few certs and a willingness to start at the bottom. I took the Helpdesk job, a massive pay cut, and that was the smartest move I've ever made. So what is this hidden power? It comes down to 4 things: a troubleshooting brain, real soft skills, hands-on time with enterprise tools, and a clear view of every role above you. Let's break each one down. This is the one nobody talks about. Most tickets are not what the user described. They say, my email is broken. It could be the user, the device, the network, the app, the policy, or their account. 6 different layers, 6 different fixes. Helpdesk forces you to think in layers. You can't shortcut that, of course. You build it being wrong, being right, and learning the difference. Like month 6, you stop guessing. You start diagnosing. And that right there is the muscle that carries you all the way to cloud architecture. Here's the part nobody warned me about. The technical part of Helpdesk. That's the easy part. The hard part is the human stuff. Calming down a stress director whose presentation won't open in 5 minutes. Translating DNS is propagating into something a normal person will understand. Pushing back politely when someone insists their request is urgent. Holding your temper when it's your 40th ticket of the day. These skills don't sound technical, but they're worth more than any cert. The senior engineers I respect. It's never the tech that got you there. It's how you talk to people. Soft skills are what get you promoted. Now let's talk about tools. Most Helpdesk roles chuck you straight in the deep end. Active Directory, Intune, a ticketing system, remote support tooling. You're not reading about Active Directory. You're unlocking accounts, resetting passwords, troubleshooting weird GPO issues. You're not watching Intune tutorial. You're troubleshooting the compliance policy that's blocking someone's account. 6 months of tickets beats 6 months of paid courses. It's not even close. Okay, so where does Helpdesk actually take you? Here's the ladder. Tier 1, Helpdesk. You learn how IT actually works in the business. Tier 2, endpoint or desktop support. You start scripting, you start automating. Tier 3, Sysadmin. You own the servers. You own identity. Tickets escalate to you. Tier 4, cloud, security, architect. These are the roles that pay for the house. And here's the thing. Every single layer above builds on what you learned on the Helpdesk. The people who try to skip it, they can run the tools, but they can't think in tickets. They can't talk to users. They miss the business context. The setting is real and it's lower than they think. I made a lot of mistakes in my first Helpdesk role. These are the 4 that still make me wince. Mistake number 1. I treated the ticket as work. The ticket is the symptom. Always ask what the user actually needs. Mistake number 2. I tried to be smart in front of the seniors. They already knew I didn't know, so don't be afraid to ask questions. Mistake number 3. I skipped documentation because I was busy. Don't do that. Every company has their own process. Don't reinvent the wheel. Always document how you fix the issue on your tickets. This helps future new starters in IT learn. Mistake number 4. I chased too many certs at once. Burned out, learned nothing deeply. 1 cert done well beats 3 unfinished ones. Every time. If you take anything from this video, take those 4. So if you're starting Helpdesk soon, or you're already in it, here's what actually moves the needle. Master the basics first. AD, DNS, DHCP, group policy, event log. Cloud is fun, but fundamentals get you hired. Learn PowerShell early. Even 10 lines of PowerShell puts you ahead of most people in the help desk. I've got a starter video coming. Make sure you're subscribed. Document everything. Build your own runbook. OneNote, Obsidian, Notion, whatever. In 6 months, it's gold. Shadow the next team up. Sysadmins, network, security. Buy them a coffee. Ask questions. This is how you skip the line. And the last one, I mean this, don't badmouth users. Even though it's tempting, contagious, it's career limiting, be like the seniors you actually respect. So, is Helpdesk actually worth starting at? Yes, without question. 12 months in, you'll be a different person. You'll think in layers, you'll talk to humans like a pro, you'll know AD and Intune like it's at the back of your head. That's the hidden power. It's not hidden because it's a secret. It's hidden because everyone else walks past it, looking for a shortcut that doesn't exist. If this helps, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. If you've worked in Helpdesk, what's the one thing you wish somebody told you on day one? If you're about to start, what role and what's making you the most nervous? I'll read every single one. I'm Trev. I'll see you in the next one.